some pickup boys only on the screen.
It really is windy this morning. When you're on the exposed areas, I'd say 40-50 mile an hour gusts easily, and it's bitterly cold in it. The temperature without it, it's not too bad, but with the wind chill, it's well below freezing. But the views, absolutely outstanding. I'll never forget this trip as long as I live. We could do with micro spikes here, but yeah, pick your route. All right. We're still climbing. We've got to go right up there. 2,550 odd metres high. The air's getting a bit thinner now as we go up. But Damien's struggling, but he's hanging in there. Hey, thumbs up. It's windy. It's tough. It's tough. Basically, we're at the pass. Just going over now. We're about 2,500 metres, and you can just see the border between Italy and Switzerland. Bit of a brutal climb there. Very cold, very windy.
Tip me and talk to. Tip me and talk to.
conditions, shall we say, aren't good. It's very, very slippy. Could really do with micro spikes, but hey ho, not got any. Bonjour. Bonjour. What is that white thing above us? Is it the sun? I might be slightly off the path. Just a little bit. Ah, they're down there. Should we go down there? So, we just had a coffee up at the refuge. First coffee in Switzerland. A mere €9. As you can see, the weather is changing again. It's going to looking a lot better than it was this morning. About 6 kilometres to go. Max says we go up there. Damien says we go down there. So we're going down there. And yeah, just loving it. As promised, Mr. Hope, we're now in Switzerland. The hills are alive with the sound of music. And that's the only words I know. 80 mile an hour winds, -10 with a wind chill, snow to this. In about 2 hours. Maybe Poppins here. He's still carrying his umbrella. I thought if he pops it up at the top of a mountain, you might see him floating away.
See if I need a quick